Conference on Youth Volunteering and Dialogue addresses a question which is at the heart of international peace and security today, which is the prevention of violent extremism and social inclusion.
ومن هنا تأتي أهمية هذا المؤتمر العالمي لترسيخ قيم التطوع والحوار لدى الشباب وتكريس المواطنة المسؤولية.
I'm sorry guys, you're not good because you're young. You're good because you want to make a difference. You're good because you've got skills. You're good because you've got organization. Skill up. Get yourselves better.
Personally, I want to learn best practices, things that have worked.
Our presence here in the UNESCO building especially, and the program in general, provides us with an exchange with people from different backgrounds and nationalities.
We are different, but we can be together to make something really, really beautiful. Not to lead you and tell you what to be in front of you. We are not here to follow you, so we are here to be by your side. In conflict resolution, this is what people need.
You will be in partners, and you have 1 minute to introduce yourself to your partner.
And I'm a PhD student at the University of Nottingham.
Mohammed from Tunis.
Okay.
Working with youth, particularly in art.
So my friend Mohammed is from Egypt. His academic background is studied pharmacy.
She's working with young people and they are introducing new topics like social entrepreneurship.
We are friends for life and we love it
Potential destruction is very much linked to the subject of this very conference, which is extremism. And it was very often performed by young people. We need to reflect on why does a young person from a place where he or she belongs feel one day that they need to destroy it.
Does the refugees really accept these things? Is there any
so for one concrete example, we did Peace Action Week in Brussels, initiating some public debate. And in fact, many of the refugees, they joined us. I mean, just they were passing by, they didn't know our event because it's like a pop-up street action.
So, as I said, integrating the privileged youth, the skillful youth, the SMEs or the subject matter experts, and let them come to those underprivileged communities, utilizing the spaces within these community neighborhood centers to spread their knowledge.
This is the multiply that has been talked yesterday.
I think one of the thing we should do in the future, or we should emphasize more, is to go to take all this experience to drop it in some kind of like solid recommendation to present to the institution level.
This amazing conference. I'm very lucky of having this chance of meeting people from everywhere.
For me personally, I have a lot of takeaways, including many ideas that people from all over the world.
Souvent, des idées qui sont déjà utilisées ou mises en œuvre dans certains pays et contextes peuvent être traduites et utilisées dans mon contexte par exemple.
Because I feel now even more empowered to make a change in my country and in the region, because we have created a hell of a network that's going to make a lot of change.
Donc les points clés de cette conférence, multiplication de son impact et puis formation, ça a été un succès.
He will go back to India and tell his friends to go make them volunteer for the UNESCO and spread the peace and dignity.
Always look forward. No matter how hard you get hit, keep looking forward until we all hopefully reach this final destination that we call peace.